Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Srivastava and I welcome all of you to this amazing HTM QuBits session, which is on the topic integrating machine learning with web using TensorFlow.JS. So I know you all are excited, but let me introduce you to our today's speaker, Chaitanya Chawla. Chaitanya Chawla is developer relations at Styava. He is the community lead at TensorFlow User Group Delhi. And today he will be taking us to this exciting world of machine learning and web. So be excited, get ready for to be amazed. And now I would like to call Chetan. So Chetan.
Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great. And if you can hear me well, so write down in the comment section that I am audible and everything looks good. Gaurav, can you see some comments because I can't see. Gaurav, you are on mute.
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay, cool. So it's great to be back at HTM. And last year at HTM, we had we had a blast, and it was so much fun. And it's like if you know, you know. It's the words can't describe the feeling of last year HTM, and it's so good to be back at HTM. And I hope we had a great learning experience in this year HTM as well. So thank you so much, everyone, joining today. Now I'll share my screen
Yeah, sure.
and yeah, yeah. So I hope my screen is visible. Gaurav, if you can confirm this.
Yeah, you are visible. Hello,
Hello.
Hello,
Yeah,
Chetan.
I
You are
hope
visible.
cool. So, hello everyone. Hello, cool people. A quick introduction about me. I'm currently working as a DevRel at Styava, and I am also the co-organizer of TFUG Delhi, TensorFlow User Group Delhi, and I have been a former GDSC lead. This is my Twitter handle and LinkedIn handle, so you can connect me through here. Now today's session is about integrating ML with web using TensorFlow.JS, and I hope you all are excited in creating in developing machine learning apps you that has some that are built on web infrastructure. So TensorFlow.js, a quick introduction about TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an end-to-end open source platform for machine learning. Now, for those who are web developers and want to build some machine learning apps or want to add some machine learning functionality in their web apps, then TensorFlow is your key. Is a end-to-end open source platform that can help you build machine learning apps. And what is TensorFlow.js? TensorFlow.js is a library for machine learning in JavaScript. So, and with using TensorFlow.js, you can build machine learning apps that are built using JavaScript. And TensorFlow.js have some pre-trained models, ML models that you can directly use in your web application, which will add machine learning functionality on your browser. So it's like you are using machine learning on directly from your browser, not from a server, or the rendering is taking place at the client side, not the server side. That brings so much so much benefits that it helps you build like scalable apps through scalable machine learning apps on web. So it's a amazing library, TensorFlow.js. Now, how does this work? So I have divided all these steps in four easy short steps, and all the process I have divided into four easy steps. First is adding web functionality. Now, what is adding web functionality? This includes like building your front end, or create whatever your project requirement is. It's not adding web functionality is related to everything related to web, not related to machine learning. So the first step for you to build a machine learning web app is add your web functionality. This could be adding building your front end, or if you are building an object detection app. So the web functionality in an object detection app is accessing camera. So this is adding your web functionality. Then importing TensorFlow.JS. So after once you have added your web functionality in your project, then what you can do is you can import TensorFlow.js on your project. Then the next step is load a pre-trained model. So TensorFlow.js provides so many pre-trained models that you can use directly on your apps, which will help you build machine learning apps very easily. So you can load a pre-trained model as per your requirements, and then integrate it with with your web app, or add the required ML functionality. So these are some four easy steps for you to build machine learning web app using TensorFlow.js. Now let's go in detail with these steps. Adding web functionality. So adding web functionality includes importing all the libraries, packages, components, everything related to web. This step is the first step for you to build the machine learning app. And then the next step is adding functions as per the project requirement. So building a front end of your project, or access if you are building an object detection app, then accessing camera. If you are building a let's suppose pose detection app, then also accessing a camera. So this step is adding web functionality. Then for example, let's suppose if I'm building an object detection project, then this will be the code which is including React library, then using React webcam library, and using webcam function. So this will help me in building the object detection project. Then the next step is importing TensorFlow.js. So importing TensorFlow.js can be done through in three ways. First, if you are using React for developing your application, then you can just simply use import TensorFlow, and you can import TensorFlow to your project. Or you can do it using npm, or you can do it using script tag. Importing TensorFlow for React application. So this is the code importing TF from TensorFlow.js. So you can just add a TensorFlow to your package.json file, and then from that you can use it to your main to the main application file, or app.js file. Then the next step is using npm. So using npm, you can just simply write using npm install TensorFlow slash TensorFlow.js. So this is all for importing TensorFlow.js. Or you can also use script tag. Then the next step is loading a pre-trained model. TensorFlow.js provides many pre-trained model that you don't have to train by yourself, and it is trained by Google and open source community. I mean, TensorFlow is an open source library, so open source platform. So already these models are pre-trained. You don't have to train by yourself. So this helps us. This clears all the hassle in training the model, and I mean, this reduces our workload. So for image classification, we have the mobile net model. Then for object detection, we have Coco model, Coco SSD. Then for face landmark detection, all of this is available on TensorFlow.js models. So this is, you can go to tensorflow.org, js/models, and you can find a number of pre-trained models that you can use in your web app. Then for object detection project, I have used Coco model, and the function is run Coco, and this is the code for building the object detection project. I'll show you the demo later on. So this is the code for that, for an object detection project. Then adding the required ML functionality, or our third step. So this includes implementing all the input parameters for the loaded model, and implementing the functions using ML models. So this could be adding utilities.js, or this is if we are building an object detection project, then this step is like creating a box text color for detecting the app, or for detecting the objects. So this step is adding the required ML functionality. This is we are on the third step. Then now I'll show you the project demo. If right now, if anyone has any doubts, then feel free to ask in the comments. If anyone has any doubts till now, then feel free to ask. So I don't see any uh, doubts till now. Now I'll go through the uh, go through the project demo for the object detection app. Let me just share my screen. Yeah. I hope my screen is visible and you can see the code. Uh, Gaurav, if you can confirm that if my code is visible. Hello. Yeah, I think it's visible. So so this is my this is the code for the project object detection app. Yeah, that is a web app that is detecting objects, and that is built using TensorFlow.JS. So first we have imported Coco SSD model from TensorFlow models, and we have also imported TensorFlow JS library. Then we have added the run Coco function, which means to run our pre-trained model. Then this function is for detecting detecting our objects. So this is the code for that. This includes drawing the mesh, or drawing the box like structure, that this is the hand, or this is the app, or I mean this is the mobile, or something like that. And this is the code, and let me just run it. I hope my output is clear. And yeah, so you can see that it is detecting me as a person, and this is done in
Yeah,
the local host 3000. So this is a web app developed using React. It can also detect other objects as well, uh, and at any time you can like tune it according to your project requirements. I hope this looks good as an object detection web app. If anyone has any doubts, then feel free to ask right now.
If anybody has any doubt, then please you can ask in the comment section.
If you were there, uh, if you will be there in HTM this year, then also write down that we will be there. Just like show some energy, guys. Show some interactiveness in this stream. So comment down below how was the project, how was the app, any doubt you have. Just show some energy.
You can ask your questions, or if you have any doubt, then please comment. We will answer.
Okay, I can't see any doubts. Let's
Okay.
continue with
Wait.
the slides. I still have some more
Yeah,
slides
yeah,
with
yeah.
me.
One second, 1 second. Let me just. App
App
is
is
excellent.
excellent.
By
Thank you.
Tejas.
Thank you. Yeah.
Any other questions or okay? So I think you can proceed.
Okay. Yeah. So I've shown you the demo for the object detection project app. So you can see it is it can detect like more not just person, but it can detect other objects as well. Then the question which many of the students or many of the beginners have is how to integrate your own model. I was expecting someone to ask this question, but anyways, so that can also be done in four easy steps. First, train your model using TensorFlow. Then convert your model in tfjs format or .json format, because TensorFlow .js is a machine learning library that is built on JavaScript. So you have to change the format. So you can train your model using TensorFlow in Python, but after that, once your model is trained, you have to convert it into tfjs format. Then after that, you have to host your model to a cloud platform. So it you can do it using GCP, or you can do it using IBM cloud platform or other clouds platform as well. So you have to host your model to a cloud platform. Then once you have hosted your model on the cloud platform, you have to call back this model to your project or to your web app. So these are four easy steps that I have curated for you if you want to integrate your own model while building a web app. So if anyone has any questions, then it's a wrap. And if anyone has any questions or anything, then feel free to ask.
Okay, let's wait for some questions. Guys, please ask whatever you want to ask.
Or if you don't have any questions, okay, I have no experience with JS, how do I convert Python code to JS? Okay, so for this you can go to uh, tensorflow.org, and uh, let me just share the link. Yeah, yeah, so I've shared the link. Gaurav, if you can share it in the comments. Or yeah, so TensorFlow, you can find that how to convert your Python code to JS, TensorFlow JS format using it's available on YouTube as well, on official TensorFlow uh, YouTube channel. And on TensorFlow YouTube channel, you can find a course by Jason uh, on TensorFlow JS, and in that course you can find the find like how to convert. It's like a course from zero to hero. So uh, it's like beginner friendly course, and even if you don't have experience with JavaScript, still you can convert your Python code into TensorFlow.js format. You can just like visit that video, and then you can understand it like how this works. So, and you can also find this in the on the tensorflow.org website. So all the resources for regarding TensorFlow is available on tensorflow.org.
Yeah, I just shared it in the
Also,
comments.
yeah, thanks, Gaurav. Also, I would highly recommend you to go through the documentation of TensorFlow, because it's really nice. It's really helpful if you are using TensorFlow in your project. And comment down below if you will be using TensorFlow in building your project at Hack the Mountain. I just wanted to know like how many of you will be using it.
They just said, great, thank you very much.
Appreciate it, Tejas. I look forward to see all of you who are building a machine learning app using TensorFlow in their project at this year Hack the Mountain. So, because it's so easy to build machine learning apps, and uh, the problem is many web developers want to use machine learning in their web apps, but still they have they think that it's difficult, or uh, it's a complicated process, but actually it's not. It's like very easy. Anyone can do it.
So we are not getting any comments. So should we wrap up,
Okay.
Chaitanya?
Yeah, just like we can wait for another 2 minutes, and then we can wrap up.
Okay. So please, everyone, please
So
comment.
yeah, so I look forward to see you all at HTM 4.0. And last year we had a really great experience. I was a mentor at HTM, and we had like
You know one, you know one thing, Chaitanya. Last year I also participated in Hack the Mountains 3.0 as a
nice,
participant.
nice.
Yeah,
So how was your experience?
yeah. It was the best hackathon I organized in my first year.
Cool. Even
Everything
I,
was literally great, and every mentor was very supportive, and they gave us good feedback, and we appreciated that.
yeah, even like I was a mentor at HTM 3.0 last year, and it was a great experience for me as well to see so many projects building, so many amazing projects that were built at just like a duration of 24 or 248 hours. And it was a great experience for me as well to mentor students to help them build the project. Gaurav, I think we can now wrap
Our
up. Yeah,
events.
so thank you so much,
So
everyone. Thank you, everyone,
now,
for just a second. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Waiting.
So thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining on Sunday evening, and I hope you had a great learning experience, and you will be using TensorFlow in your machine learning web apps, in building machine learning web apps. And if you want to connect with me, so this is my Twitter handle, Chaitanya CHAW11, and on LinkedIn you can connect with me, Chawla, Chawla dash Chaitanya, and this is you can scan this QR code. Also, I am the co-organizer of TFUG Delhi, TensorFlow User Group Delhi, and if you want to join our community, so do you can follow us on Twitter, and you will get updated about our upcoming TensorFlow User Group events. So this is the QR code for TFUG Delhi. That's it from my side, guys. Thank you so
Yeah. So
much.
yes. Yeah, so as we draw this insightful session to close, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our distinct speaker Chaitanya Chawla for sharing his expertise and shedding light on the topic intersection of machine learning and web technologies through TensorFlow.JS. Your insights were truly amazing, and we got to know very much. So thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you, the whole team for inviting me to take this session. Thank you everyone for inviting me, for this HTM qubit session, and I look forward to see you all at HTM 4.0.
Okay, so bye everyone.